Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will dive deep into the Asus FX507, exploring how to diagnose common issues and what steps to take if your device is not functioning properly. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Start by removing the back cover of the FX507. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be of different lengths. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the casing. With the back cover removed, you will gain access to the internal components. It's crucial to check for any dust accumulation, especially around the cooling fan and heatsink. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust. This is a simple yet effective way to improve airflow and prevent overheating issues. If your laptop has been overheating, this could be a significant factor. Next, inspect the RAM and hard drive. Ensure that the RAM modules are securely seated in their slots. If you have multiple RAM sticks, you can test them one at a time to identify any faulty modules. For the hard drive, check for any unusual sounds or vibrations. If you suspect an issue, consider running a diagnostic test. If you encounter problems that seem beyond your expertise or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get a thorough checkup of your device without any pressure to proceed with repairs. Now, let's talk about the common symptoms users report with the FX507. These can include random shutdowns, failure to boot, or slow performance. Each of these can stem from different issues. Random shutdowns could indicate a failing battery or overheating, while failure to boot might suggest problems with the motherboard or hard drive. If you discover that your device is indeed faulty and you prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we also provide a convenient pickup and delivery service at your home. This ensures you don't have to deal with the hassle of calls or travel to a repair shop. Imagine the convenience of having your laptop picked up right from your doorstep, diagnosed, and repaired without any interruptions to your daily routine. Before any repairs begin, we will provide a quote to ensure you are fully informed of the costs involved. This quote allows you to make a decision based on your budget and the severity of the issues found. It's all about giving you control over the repair process. In conclusion, diagnosing issues with your Asus FX507 doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you can identify potential problems and determine the best course of action. Whether you choose to tackle repairs yourself or opt for our professional services, you're now better equipped to handle any challenges that arise with your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.